Goods given as samples should be credited to advertisement account, sales account, purchase account, none of these. Purchase account. Outstanding salaries are shown as an expense, a liability, an asset, an income. A liability. Internal audit is conducted by Comptroller and Audit General of India, the employees, professional auditors, Ministry of Finance. The employees. A contract in which the obligation on the part of both parties to the contract are outstanding at the time of the contract is called as express contract, executed contract, unilateral contract, bilateral contract. Bilateral contract. The 14 Principles of Management has been prescribed by Frederick Winslow Taylor, Peter F. Drucker, Elton Mayo, Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol. When the demand for a product is tied to the purchase of some parent product, the demand is called autonomous demand, company demand, derived demand, individual demand. Derived demand. Depreciation is the process of valuation of assets, maintenance of assets in the state of efficiency, dividing the cost of the asset over its useful life and appropriation of profit. Dividing the cost of the asset over its useful life. When only a few sellers of a product are found in the market, it is called monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, none of these. Oligopoly. Which of the following is not the objective of internal check? Division of a work among the staff. Error and fraud are automatically detected. Prevention of error and fraud. Allow the staff to do any single work from beginning to end. Allow the staff to do any single work from beginning to end. Right shares enjoy preferential right as regard payment of retained earnings, payment of dividend, payment of capital, none of the above. None of the above.